To remove oil stains from clothes, try these methods. Number 1, blot the stain. So gently blot the stain with a paper towel to absorb excess oil. All right, and you know what? Before number 2, avoid rubbing. It could spread the stain. Okay, so number 2, cornstarch or baking soda. Sprinkle cornstarch or baking soda on the stain and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes to absorb the oil. Brush it off gently. Number 3, dish soap. Apply a few drops of dish soap directly on the stain and gently work it in with your fingers or a soft brush. Let it sit 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse it with cold water. Number 4, laundry detergent. After treating with dish soap, wash the garment in the hottest water, safe for the fabric, using your regular laundry detergent. Number 5, stain remover. If stains persist, use a commercial stain remover according to the instructions before washing again. Number 6, check before drying. Ensure that the stain is completely gone before you dry it because the heat is going to set the stain in. So if needed, repeat the process. These methods are generally effective for most fabrics, but always check carefully what the labels say on them and test any treatment on an inconspicuous area first.